As tutorial guys, another song. The song is from Ricky Montgomery. Ang title ng kanta ay Line Without a Hook. Meron tayong chords part and strumming part. For the chords, we have two parts guys. May dalawang part tayo para sa chords. First part ay para sa verses and chorus, first part. And the second part ay para sa bridge part. Let's start with the chords. These are the chords for the first part, verses and choruses. So play it first. I'll get it down and first chord is G sharp, verses and choruses. So, 4th fret, kapat na fret, kaya ng F, 4th fret, 4th fret. The second chord ay isang F minor. So, first fret yan, first fret, kaya ng F sharp minor, first fret. Okay? G sharp, sharp minor, F minor, F minor, then C sharp, 4th fret, again, 4th fret, gaya ng B, 4th fret. And then move ng dalawang fret para sa E flat, para sa last chord or fourth chord. Okay? Ulit again. G sharp, F minor, C sharp, 4th fret, and then E flat. And then the string pattern is etong string pattern, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Timing lang. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, I need it down, down, up, down. Up, down, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down. Okay? Timing. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Na. Okay? So, ulit-ulitin lang itong mga chords, guys. Ulit-ulitin lang ito para sa verses at chorus. And para naman sa bridge part, ending ng second chorus and then bridge part. Play natin, pakita natin. Ending ng second chorus. Hold you from the side. So, ang mga chords ay B flat minor. Pagkatapos second chorus, B flat minor. Ganun B minor, first fret yan. And then G sharp. And then C minor, third fret and third fret. Play natin na. Hold you from the down. So, 5 times yan, 5 times. 2, 3, okay? 4, 5. And then, ang last line, o linya ay B flat minor, then E flat. Para sa ika-6 na linya, ang last two chords ay then E flat. Para sa ika-6 or 6 line, okay? Ulit, play natin. Hold you from the down. 1, 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Then last line. Okay? So, ulit. B minor, C sharp, at C minor. So, ang mga chords ay nasa screen naman. And then, tapos nun, then, balik yung mga chords yung first part. So, ulit-ulitin lang ito, guys. Okay? Tapos ang kanta. 2 lines lang para sa chords and then string pattern. At gagawin rin tayo ng second part nito para sa with Capo version naman. Abangan nyo ang susunod na uploads natin. Yun na lahat ng mga chords nakalagay naman sa screen yung mga kanina. Siyempre sa mga naganap ng mga manipis na string gaya nito guys, meron tayong Shopee link sa description. Check nyo na lang, manipis na string ito at hindi masakit sa kamay, maganda pang practice. At meron ring pampakinis ng fretboard. Mga link ay nasa description. Hanggang dito muna guys, bye.